Roblox story. But what if I'm in? A hated child, part 8. Wakes up. Mirror, mom, my, looks up. Let me know.
No, you're mine, Baba Grill. Don't even try to escape.
Back in present.
You again? Didn't I yeeted you out of Earth? How are you even alive?
No, me.
Now, tell me how. You're still alive.
Okay, fine.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Where am I?
Mars. Wait, is that the Slender from Cupcakes? Roblox story, the hated child story? Ew, get the hell, Utah here. You're making Mars. Stink here. Trash cleared.
And that's how.
Lol. Imagine getting punched out of Mars by an astronaut.
Malal.
Stop laughing at your Fiank hot blondie.
Bro, what the F?
What? She's mine.
Bro, she's not anyone's. Stop talking S.
What am the Mel?
I'm an entire Laura.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Don't tell me what to do.
Thanks, Adele.
No, you both can't go.
Let me go.
This is your last chance. Let her go or else you'll be deleted.
No, don't you dare do that.
Ross, let go of her then.
No, I won't. You're being so stubborn.
Well, what did I ever do? To you then?
You killed my family.
Wait, you had a family?
You I'm so gonna kill you.
Nope. Perfect.
Thank you so much, Adele.
Okay, whatever. I'm a change into a Christmas avatar cause I'm getting bored of this one.
Wow, I love your new avatar.
Thanks.
At home.
Where were you guys?
Yeah, where were you brats?
None of your business.
You know what? You're grounded. Go to your room.
Ugh, fine. Why are you in my room?
Stay away from Mikey.
Shut the F up. You are 7 years old, and how could you date with ugly, goofy-ass jerk boy like, stay away from Mikey? What the F is this word?
Oh my God, I'm telling Mommy. Mommy,
Yes, sweetheart.
he is bullying Mikey.
Brah, he isn't even here.
Go and apologize to Mike.
Hell nah.
Ugh, you know what?
Hey, where are you taking me? Why are we in Mike's room?
You stay here until you apologize.
Hell nah.
Yes, you are. Locks the door.
No. Let me out. I'm a try-teleporting.
You cannot teleport around the house.
No.
Hey, Hottie, be my mommy now.
No. Give me the key to unlock the door.
Then just give me a kiss.
No, I'm not giving you. A kiss, you musty, dusty, crusty, lusty, husty, busty, nusty rat. Give me the key now. Please. I need to use the bathroom.
Okay, fine. Here.
She unlocked the door.
Oh my God, I'm finally out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for part 9. Some parts of the story are